So in this portion, I'm going to talk to you about certain problems that is there from your side which I have noticed. Okay, so this video is entirely for those students who have who actually have given this half yearly or UT, and where I have actually observed all those mistakes that you have been commenting. Okay, commenting. So now the first thing is that always keep in mind answer in your own words. Okay, why is this important? There was I've seen this thing happening even in your extract based question. I've seen this happening. You are writing directly from the text, you're writing directly from the book. Like question is given what are the necessary steps that Abdul Kalam did, what Abdul Kalam felt like. You just wrote in quotes, this Abdul Kalam said, I am this, I am this, I am that, and you didn't even say wrote. When we know we convert direct speech into indirect speech, we write like Abdul Kalam said, Abdul Kalam told. No, but you no one have written this thing. You people are just beginning the question like this, number one, and you are writing like this. I am this, I am got, I am going there, I am going here, I am doing this. Quotation close, answer complete. Why? What is the use? Who is I? Who is what over here? No relevancy at all. So here the problem is there when you are writing it directly from your passage or you are writing it directly from the book. The problem happening is there that I am or the examiner is completely unable to understand that what are you writing. Okay, who is the I over here? What is happening over there? No, don't copy it directly. I told you to have a clear understanding. Your method should be so much clear in your mind that you have just understand all the point that is over there, and you need to transform that point. Fine. So try to answer in your own words rather than just copying it down. When there is no quotation, when there is no I mentioned, when there is nothing said about the particular person is saying from his heart, then of course you can write it from your passage, no issues. But when there is something like the person is saying, and at that point you need to rectify all those mistakes, like no quotation marks will be there when I'm writing it in indirect speech. So you have to play with the grammar over here, as because you people are strong in direct and indirect. So you have to play with grammar over there. You need to omit the quotation and you need to add ask, inquired, told. You need to just play with a bit of grammar over there. Fine. Okay, so this point, this is one of my favorite points which I have been telling you from whenever we began the reading section. That is a vocab, and vocab for the weak student. For the strong students, you people already know that this is the antonym, this is the synonym. But for the weak students, what will you do? I have told you to go for the eliminating process. I told you to go for what? Eliminating process. Not only for vocab, in fact for question answers also, go for eliminating process. How will you eliminate? Just there are 4 options and you just find that I am a bit confused about which option I am going to click on. So just go on eliminating that. No, maybe I know from the options go on learning. Okay. Now maybe suppose there is a question in vocab that what is the synonym of eliminating, and there are 4 options given. First option is get rid of, second option is inside, third option is decoration, and fourth option is analyze. Okay, so now suppose I am so weak that I don't know that what is the meaning of eliminating. Now what will I do? Okay, I know the meaning of decoration. Okay, can decoration be eliminating? Okay, no, decoration means is designing something. So now go to the passage and read the line where eliminating is there. Like over here I told you your passage. I'm just giving it for example. The line is, you should go for the eliminating process where things will be removed. So this is the line, and now you have to give a synonym for this word. Okay, so I will go for decoration. Decoration, and the line is saying process where what is happening? Things are getting removed. So for if decoration can remove things, no, decoration can't remove things. Fine. So decoration is not the option. Inside, can decoration be somewhere inside where things will be removed? So it's not coming inside. So not inside. Again, this is wrong answer. Analyze. Again, can removing be matched with analyzing? No, analyze means something which is over there. We are analyzing something. We are going through that. That is, we are not removing. So analyzing is also not the option. So we now know that get rid of is the correct answer, because where things will be removing, when we are getting rid of things. Fine. So now this is the eliminating process, where even if you don't know the answer, you can just find out the answer from the passage itself through. First thing is reading the line, and second thing is elimination process. Fine. And now one thing you're committing, again I'm telling you one mistake that you're committing so much, is that when there is written that write a synonym of a word from the passage itself, then write it from the passage itself. There was a word which I gave you, like encourage. People wrote like discourage. But that was the answer that you gave from your mind. But I didn't ask you the answer from your mind. I asked you the answer from the passage itself. So instead of giving the word from the passage itself, you just wrote it from your mind. So no marks will be given in those cases. Fine. So just go read the question thoroughly. If it's written that write it from the passage itself, then write it from the passage itself, and don't apply your brain over here like inventing words and writing them from your own mind. Fine. So this was whatever it took me to rectify your mistakes. This video was about all those tiny things that you can do for betterment of your answers. Now go through the PPT videos, and there you will find some more interesting things that will help you to correct your answer more and more.